Chapter 6. The Big Switcheroo. Soon, I wish we didn't have to take Dogman to jail. Infinity is a long time to be locked up. Yeah, but it's in dog years, so it's shorter than regular infinity. That's a relief. But then, hey look, how can we pass this? Well, it's like 2 insults. You'll take, what? We give you pizza pants. Pizza pants? Is that the best you can do? We're just warming up, you twinkled tooth salad spinners. Go sit in a puddle, you two-eyed taffy ticklers. Go iron your shoes, soft cream. Go park your bike next to a tree. You one-nosed bubble dumpling. Go stand next to it. Ball, you're raisin-licking bumblebees. That's enough. Raisin-licking bumblebees. Those were the worst insults I've ever heard. They don't even make sense. Frankly, I'm insulted. Me too. But then. So anyway, this was the best day ever, right, Papa? Right, Papa? Papa? If you want to save Dogman, then sign this contract. Excellent. Now, you work for me, and you'll never be a good guy again. A few minutes later. Okay, Dogman, it's time to go to your new home. We'll see you in Dog Infinity. Slam!